In today's fast-paced world, kitchen tools that combine efficiency, durability, and ease of use are essential. If you're looking for a cookware solution that will simplify your morning routine without compromising on quality, this Blue Diamond Cookware Mini Egg Fry Pan Skillet is a game changer. Whether you're cooking a quick breakfast, preparing a snack, or just need a smaller, more efficient pan for daily cooking, this skillet checks all the boxes. The Blue Diamond Mini Egg Fry Pan is engineered to make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From its diamond-infused ceramic nonstick surface to its superior heat conduction and comfortable handling, this frying pan brings the latest in cooking technology to your kitchen, allowing you to cook with confidence and efficiency. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of this frying pan is its diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating. This innovative coating is 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than traditional nonstick coatings. It's designed to withstand daily use without showing signs of wear and tear. Plus, it's metal utensil safe, so you don't need to worry about scratches ruining the nonstick surface. Diamonds are known for their exceptional heat conductivity, and this pan takes full advantage of that. The diamond-infused coating ensures that the pan heats up faster than traditional cookware, while also providing even heat distribution. This means no more hot spots and inconsistent cooking results. Just perfectly cooked eggs, pancakes, or omelets every time. The Blue Diamond Mini Egg Fry Pan is completely free from harmful chemicals such as PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. You can cook with peace of mind knowing that your food isn't being exposed to these dangerous substances. This makes it a safe and healthy choice for your family. If you're looking for a pan that's perfect for quick breakfasts, small portions, or snacks, this compact 8-inch pan is the answer. Whether you're frying a single egg or making a small batch of pancakes, its small size is ideal for individual servings. Plus, it's easy to store, making it a perfect option for small kitchens or those who prefer minimal cookware. This mini skillet is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for a variety of recipes. You can easily transition from stovetop to oven for dishes that require finishing in the oven. Whether you're making an omelet or a mini frittata, the Blue Diamond Mini Egg Fry Pan can handle it. The ceramic nonstick surface makes cleanup a breeze. You can wipe it down with a damp cloth, or simply place it in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. No more scrubbing or soaking to remove stuck-on food. This pan is designed for convenience. The ergonomic handle is wrapped in heat-resistant silicone, ensuring a comfortable, slip-free grip. Whether you're flipping eggs or stirring ingredients, the handle remains cool to the touch, giving you full control during cooking. Plus, the pan is designed with warp control, so you can use it confidently for all your cooking needs. This versatile pan works with most stovetops, including gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. It's not compatible with induction stovetops, but for everyone else, it's the perfect option. Its even heating and compact size make it ideal for quick cooking sessions, no matter what type of stovetop you use. Who should buy the Blue Diamond Mini Egg Fry Pan? This pan is ideal for busy individuals, quick breakfasts with easy cleanup. Small families or singles, perfect size for cooking small portions. Health-conscious cooks, toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating. Anyone who loves easy cleanup, dishwasher-safe for minimal scrubbing. Final thoughts. Why choose the Blue Diamond Mini Egg Fry Pan Skillet? When it comes to cookware, performance, convenience, and health are key. The Blue Diamond Mini Egg Fry Pan Skillet delivers on all fronts. Its diamond-infused ceramic non-stick surface ensures long-lasting durability and easy cleanup. The superior heat conduction means faster, more even cooking, while the compact size makes it perfect for quick meals. With its toxin-free, eco-friendly design and comfortable stay-cool handle, this pan is an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their cooking routine. If you're tired of cooking with subpar pans that warp, peel, or make cleanup a hassle, the Blue Diamond Mini Egg Fry Pan is your answer. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and experience the difference in your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.